Hey guys, oh my gosh. Okay, I was not expecting to make a video today. I look a little crazy, but I got some surprise mail, so I'm pretty excited about it. So I wanted to hurry up and get this video out because I was planning on making a video about drop shipping and print on demand. And I will do that. But my products came so fast, I haven't had time to make the video yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you the product. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. Be right back. Okay, so here's the product. I got the entire branding package, which gives you a product bag with your logo on it. It gives you a product tag with your logo on it, and inside it also has your logo on it. So as for quality, Ken Custom, thus far they shipped this within 14 days. It got to me. When I had an issue and wanted to cancel something, they canceled it and refunded me almost right away, and they ended up shipping it anyway because they had already printed it. So I'm gonna be giving this away when the channel hits a certain amount of subscribers. Well, this one or the second one that I ordered another design. I may use that one. I'm really loving this. This is my favorite color, so I might keep this one, guys. And the more I look at it, the more I'm thinking it's probably going to be mine. But this particular bag, this size, holds about 60 pins. Um, I haven't put any in it yet because, as I said, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or give it away. But I'm probably going to end up keeping it and give away the other one. But Ken Custom is definitely, um, if you're drop shipping, if you're putting your designs on products and you need someone to make a product for you and print the product for you, thus far, I would recommend them. Now, these are sample products that I ordered for myself. So, when it comes to drop shipping to my customers, I haven't tested them yet. Another company that I'll talk about in another video when those products come, um, they were fast with the manufacturing as well, and they shipped within 2 or 3 days. Actually, within 2 days on all 4 of the orders that I've put in so far. So, sorry, I got distracted. So this company, Ken Custom, I'll put the link below. I have a store there where I've made a bunch of products with my designs on them. Really, I mean, they're there, and if you want to purchase something, that's awesome. They'll make it for you, but I haven't really, tried to advertise them. I'm really just making products for my own store and for Etsy. So, but I'll put the link below just so you can see the format, because you may want to use them as a store for your own designs. And they also have some starter designs that are already there. When I get some time, because I wasn't expecting these items to come today, so I wasn't really expecting to make this video, so I wasn't really prepared. But when I get some time, I will take a screen record video and let you see how I design something. It's pretty simple. So I'll do that for you guys. Probably, I don't want to give you a time to say when I'll do it, but I will do it. I will do it before the summer's over. How about that? So, okay, guys, I will see you later. I love you. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video. And the link to the group is below. You can check us out, request to join, see if that's something you'd be interested in. And I'll see you next time.